Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am starting the new chapter, that is cell, the unit of life, which is very important, and it has been asked that 3 to 4 questions for the NEET level, expected questions. Let's begin with the cell wall. So cell wall is actually secreted by the protoplasm, and usually permeable, also suberized cell walls are present and which are impermeable. Outermost protective layer, and it is a non-living, rigid means very stiff in nature, covering of the plant cells, fungi, and also some of the prokaryotes. Now, which is absent in the animal cells, gametes, and some of the zoospores. It was first observed by the Robert Hooke in the year 1665 in the cork cells tissue of the oak plant, Quercus tuber, and it is also used for the stoppers, so we call it bottle stoppers also. Fungal cell wall is made up of polysaccharide fibers, especially chitin or cellulose, but major part will be the chitin, either it is actually here some mistake. And next, alga cell wall is made up of cellulose, galactose, mannose, and most of the things. In higher plants, cell walls fibers are especially cellulose and highly embedded cross-linked matrix of polysaccharides like pectin, lignin, hemicellulose, etc. And these cell walls, all of them are made up of with the different types of the materials. Structure: cell wall consists of three layers, especially middle lamellum and primary cell wall, secondary cell wall, and if possible tertiary cell wall is also formed in the during secondary growth. Cells of the plant tissues generally remain cemented together by an intercellular matrix known as a middle lamellum, which is contains most of the calcium and also magnesium peptides. So let's begin with the middle lamella. It is an intercellular and matrix lies between adjacent plant cells, and it is thin, amorphous in nature, cementing layer and made up of mainly calcium peptides. Calcium and magnesium ions help in cross-linking the peptide compound substances, binding to the adjacent layers also. It is developed from the cell plate, which is formed during the cytokinesis of the cell division, and vesicles of Golgi complex secrete the cell plate during the cytokinesis. And if you look at the cell structure like this, middle lamella, basically chemical unit of pectin is this structure, carbohydrates, and first formed as a phragmoplast, then cell plate, then cell wall formation occurs. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and keep following me. Thank you.